And welcome back. I'm finally about to paint my engine block. I'm getting ready to assemble this thing. Finally got the crank back. Gonna paint it up, prep it, clean it up, and get this thing assembled. Get started. Hello everyone. So I finally got the engine all painted up. I painted the timing cover. I had the oil pan somewhere else. But I am getting ready to put the crank in. I just finished measuring the clearances for the crank. Everything seems to be good. It's right in between 20 thousandths and 15 thousandths. I did have to order new bearings. They're 20 thousandths over. I had ordered the 10 thousandths. That's what the machine shop had told me. I put them on. There's way too much clearance. They weren't even touching the plastic gauge. I called the machine shop. They said, sorry, you made an error. We did cut it. They were at 10 thousandths and we cut it to 20 thousandths. So that put me back a couple days, but I called Summit. They're going to return my parts, my 10,000 ones, and they're going to exchange them for the 20,000s, which I received. So I got to send those back. I'm going to get this crank installed right now. I'm going to measure the connecting rods in a bit, and I'm going to keep moving forward. Hopefully I'll have the cam in right now. If not, tomorrow. I'm on vacation, so I'm trying to get this all finished up right now, and I'm getting excited. I'm ready. Give you guys another update in a bit.
So I finally got all the pistons in. Everything's torqued down. Everything spins freely. And this engine is ready for its cam finally. Moment I've been waiting for. The only thing is that the machine shop forgot to give me the timing gear and then the oil pump gear. I'll have to pick those up a little bit later, but I can go ahead and throw in the cam, put the retainer plate on. I already got the windage tray all torqued down, so I'm trying to get as far as I can right now, and I'll probably continue everything else tomorrow, but just want to get the cam in for now. Excited. Let's get this going.
Make sure it's all lubed up.
Plate on still, but spins freely. No water pump bolts needed, so let me get this all tied up and get it finished up. I want to turn it on already. Texas speed. Stage 3, 216, 220.